Whew, it's hot. And nothing says Japanese summers like matsuri. Matsuri are Japanese summer festivals. There's tons of delicious food, but nothing says matsuri quite like kyuri ipponzuke, or pickled cucumbers. Served a little bit differently than Western cucumbers, but it's a simple recipe, super easy to make, and it's really refreshing. So let's get started and make some kyuri ipponzuke.
So first we're going to be making a brine, and this is what we always do when we make pickles. And today's brine, we're going to be doing 100 milliliters of dashi, and then we're going to be adding 1 teaspoon of salt and also MSG, and then 1 teaspoon of sugar. I have brown sugar in this, but you can use white sugar too. Then we're just going to stir together, and then we're just going to set this brine off to the side, and we'll be using it a little bit later. And now we have our main ingredient, which is the Japanese cucumber. It's really similar to the English cucumber, so it's long, slender, and seedless. So what we're going to do first is just cut off the ends. All right, now that we have our cucumber trimmed up, we're going to peel it. And we want it to have that authentic Japanese festival style look. So what they do is they don't peel the entire cucumber, they just do 4 sides, so it should look something like this. Excellent. And for this recipe, we're going to use 4 cucumbers. So we got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So after that, just take your cucumbers and find any plastic bag you have laying around. Hopefully it's clean. I have a Ziploc bag right here. I'm just going to open that up, put our cucumbers in. Make sure to measure your cucumbers so they can fit into the bag nicely like this too. And then after we get all of the cucumbers in the bag, we're just going to put our brine that we made earlier right on top. So here's our brine, goes right in. Make sure to give that a stir before you put it in. And then also I'm going to put some shredded cayenne pepper to give it a little more flavor and also hopefully a little bit of heat. All right, cool beans. Now that that's done, we're just going to take this bag, zip it up, make sure it's closed all the way. We don't want anything leaking out. And then put these in your refrigerator for 3 hours. Overnight's even better. And all we have to do is wait for the next step. All right, so after a couple of hours, your cucumber should look like this. And for the next part, what we're gonna do is take some waribashi or disposable chopsticks. These are bamboo chopsticks. And then we're just gonna skewer our cucumber. Just jam that chopstick right into that cucumber. And that's your festival style pickle.
All right, so now you can make Japanese festival food at home. Give it a try. If you like this video, subscribe, like, and share, and see you next time. Let's give it a try. Delicious.